Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a TikTok shop wig try on haul. Keep on watching. Okay, so this first wig is the long wavy black to brown lace hairline wig from Nayasa Hair. I'll put the name up above and I'll also put the link in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. This unit is 26 inches. So on me, I'm 5'7", so it comes like right underneath the breasts. I'll give you a full 360. Absolutely love this unit. Minimal shedding, and when I say minimal, maybe one strand has come out, and I've been running my fingers through this unit. The curls are absolutely beautiful. So let me give you a 360. So this unit is nice and full. Absolutely love it. You can wear it down and you can do some styling. I did do a style with a headband, so I will be showing you that, as well as all of the specs of this unit, how I installed it, which was super easy. Didn't have to do much except for cut the little piece of lace that was in the front, added a little foundation to the parting area, which looks very nice. And then I used a little oil and I just finger detangled with my hands. No tools were needed. Again, the curls are absolutely beautiful. Absolutely loving this unit. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. So this is wig number 1 from TikTok shop. On to wig number 2. And here we are with wig number 2. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. This big hair is giving me life. And these highlights, yes. Let me give you a 360. Full, voluminous, curls on point, color on point. Baby, you can't tell me nothing with this hair. This 10 out of 10 plus 10 times 10 to the 10th power. Okay? Get into it. Okay, so this unit is the curly lace front synthetic wig in the color F30 from TikTok shop. This is from the shop Run M Hair. I'll put the name on the screen and I'll leave the link in the description box. You definitely need this beauty. I'll put also on the screen the colors that this unit comes in, but this 430 combination is definitely given. So the hair originally came with a middle part, which I'll show you in a few minutes when I show you the quick tutorial, but I decided to cut some bangs and do a no part, and I'm definitely feeling this look. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. This is wig number 2. Now on to wig number 3. Okay, so this is wig number 3. This is the bling hair wavy lace front wig. Absolutely love the texture and fullness of this wig. The only con for me is that the hairline was not plucked. And I don't know how to pluck hairlines because I'm a beginner in this wig game. So I had to leave the hairline as is. But if you're a girly that knows how to pluck the hairlines, this baby is for you. So let me show you the back. So she's nice and full. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. Which wig is your favorite? Wig number 1, 2, or 3? I will leave the link to all of these units in the description box below, so make sure that you check them out. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.